The worst thing about being charged with a family violence crime is you're typically accused of doing something against a spouse or a loved one. You're accused of doing something maybe against a child or a parent. There may be no worse thing to be accused of than to be accused of harming someone inside of your family. So on top of being charged with a crime, you're also having a wedge drawn, a wedge shoved in between you and a family member, between you and the people you love the most. Almost always, people who call us charged with family violence crimes are incredibly upset, terribly fearful, and they're worried about losing a family relationship that they care deeply about. The very first thing we're going to do when someone calls us is we're going to answer all of their questions. We're going to give them a rock solid plan forward. And the third thing is we're going to take off of their plate a lot of the things that they thought they had to do themselves. We're going to remove all of those tasks and worries, and we're going to say, let us handle that. The way the government treats victims or so-called victims in family violence cases is different from every other criminal case. The government is more likely to disbelieve a victim. They're more likely to not do what the victim wants done. They're more likely to ignore the wishes of the person who's the alleged victim, which is very different from every other kind of criminal case. You need someone who knows how to make them listen. You need someone who knows how to defend the case of family violence and who's done it before thousands of times, literally thousands of times. If you're on the fence about contacting a criminal defense lawyer because you're concerned about how much it's going to cost, go ahead and make the call. Find out. Our firm offers free consultations. We're going to tell you down to the penny what it's going to cost. We're not going to hide the ball from you. We're not going to mask or hide costs or fees or any of that business. We're going to tell you to the penny what it would cost to hire us. And we're happy to tell you that. Just pick up the phone.